Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord login errors on P. Alaf. Many users face login problems where Discord won't open, shows an error, or keeps loading, and it can block access to servers. First, check your login details. Make sure your email and password are correct. Even a small typo can prevent login. Step 1, check your internet connection. Discord needs a stable connection. Weak or intermittent internet can cause login failure. Step 2, clear cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can block login. Clear your browser cache if using web, or clear Discord app cache in app data on PC. Step 3, try a different browser or the desktop app. Sometimes web-specific problems prevent login. Chrome or Edge usually works best. Step 4, disable VPNs or firewall temporarily. Discord may block connections from certain VPNs or firewalls. Turning them off can help identify the issue. Step 5, check Discord server status. Rare server outages can stop logins. Visit status.discord.com to confirm. Step 6, reset your password. If login still fails, use forgot password to create a new password. This often resolves account-related problems. Finally, contact Discord support if none of these steps work. Provide your email and describe the error. Support can troubleshoot account or server-side issues. So yeah, fixing Discord login errors on PC is about checking credentials, internet, cache, browsers, VPN/firewall, server status, password reset, and contacting support. Follow these steps and you should log in smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.